Shubor naga Snem jong unong san Hima.
Kawai ni ki Jaka Thep Umphñiang ka bahe tam agathan chatai lam mi ngi ke NES Jorabat jong ka company Bharat Petroleum Corporation Limited menhinin ka sngi ka khanyo tri ulber kalayo ban rakhe ye ka Jingdap khat pras Snem kinthi ka Jingshakri jong ka nadu bala pli ningkong haus Snem arhajar handreo hagani ka sngi lawan banya dan lang rangkat do ba AL Hek menteri ka sarkar jilla ubadai khmi ya ka tanat animal husbandry lembat u Norway ba paunam ka Bollywood u Zubin Garg kumshi bentana ka jing rakhe dap khat pras Snem kene ka Jaka Thep Umphñiang ka balaya yotam haka than chatai lam mi ngi kala yo ruban penhe shu ye ka Jaka Thep Umphñiang ka ba kerpang na ka benta ki kali red ya ka bala pli pat ba do ba AL Hek haka jingdon rengkat ki head officer ka company BPCL bakin thup ya u BJ Phukan managing director ke NRL u Dibashish Naik head retail east ka BPCL u Shripal Jain try jong ka Jaka Thep Umphñiang u ba sambor digdo lembat kiwei haba ajing kren hagani ka skine kalyang u ba AL Hek ula penken mau ya ka jingya lenti ka khat pras Snem jong ka Jaka Thep Umphñiang ka bala keostet bat yarap ru ban ai kam ai jam ya kumba shispa san po ngut ki khna kan thei khasi ha kini ki khat prat li ki Snem bat ka ba ai ru ka Jingshakri ka ba pakash chi ki pat ba nong lek nong wan bat ka bala don kam ban nang penyar susu namar ka jingla jong ka ban ai ka Jingshakri ka ba paka
Family member of the Churiwal family for inviting me for this program. But I've been associating with them for the last 30 years. We have been taking the journey together. Sripalji, my good friend, he has taken the journey for increasing his business and he never failed. And also I continued my political career till today with the God grace I have not failed. So thank you Sripalji and all the family members. Sripalji for any occasions, whether it is small occasions or the big occasions, just always remember me and remember our family. We also will never absent for any program extended by Sripalji. I remember the last 18 years back, we have inaugurated this NRL pump here in Jorabat. Today, after the 18 years back, they have given the newborn baby called the extended facilities here at the same premises and same locality. So congratulations to Sripalji, the petroleum department and everybody who are present here today. And also we have in our midst our friends Debashish Naik ji, who is the heads of the entire East and also looking for the Bhutan area for the petroleum business. So I'd like to thank him and also the senior officer, the junior officer and all the officers of the Bharat Petroleum, all the friends, ladies and gentlemen. So once again, I'd like to thank Kong Nampui also. She was there from the beginning when we are inaugurated for this NRL pump here 18 years back. She is also here present today. They have given the very, the cherished memories that we have been together from the beginning of the inauguration and the setting up of this petrol pump in this premises. So once again, I like to thank to each one of you who are present here, and I pray to God that this our friend Sripalji, the family, and all of you, you will be blessed from time to time. God will always with you, will be shower abundant blessing to you and your family. Thank you very much, and I wish once again congratulations.
With sales of MS Plus of 350 kl, out of which they sell premium fuel speed 66 kl, and HSD in last month they have touched 1900 kl. The RO retail outlet is also the highest speed selling outlet in Eastern region. It has also recorded the highest depth sales of 52 MT, which is also the highest in Eastern region. It has recorded the highest lubricant sales of 8.6 MT in Shillong retail territory. Now, talking about Sri Sipal Jain, the dealer of NES Jorabat, someday he dreamt of creating the best retail outlet in the northeast at a most visible place in the state of Meghalaya. With this dream in mind, he engaged manpower and gave his all time to build his dream by cutting a large and steep hill for the purpose of filling up a deep gorge and for construction of his dream retail outlet. Those who witnessed his crazy idea must have called it a stupidity, but over a period of 3 years or so, a wide and spacious site was developed, measuring around 5 acres of land on the highway NH27. The highway connects Assam's capital city Guwahati with neighboring states such as Nagaland, Arunachal Pradesh, Meghalaya, Tripura, Mizoram and Manipur states. One day the curtain was off and we proudly inaugurated the beautiful creation. Everyone was gasped in astonishment, and that was the day today we call the mother of all retail outlets. NES Jorabat, the must layover by all passerby, for whether it be fueling, the car washing as we can see, withdrawing cash in terms of Fino facility, using the well-maintained and clean urinal, changing lubricant for two-wheelers, enjoying the food court, all modes of digital transactions, digital air gauge, pre-nitrogen facility, it being undoubtedly one of the flagship and landmark outlet in Northeast. The retail outlet was commissioned in 2006 by NRL, and it came to BPCL fold in the year 2012. The RO caters to motorists basically for all Northeast states, starting from Assam, Meghalaya, Mizoram, Tripura, Manipur, Nagaland and Arunachal Pradesh. Apart from spacious driveway and attractive look and feel, the RO attracts customers to its food court and free car washing facility, hygienic and well-maintained toilet block, and rest places for truckers. Now, in the new avatar, under the visionary leadership of our respected HRE sir, Mr. Devashish sir, we have embarked on a journey to take this flagship RO to new heights by coming up with a dedicated premium base aimed for our esteemed MS and motorist customers. Our customers shall have a specialized treatment at this MS base with premium offerings of MS and our speed offerings.
सो आई थिंक बहुत कुछ सीखने के लिए यहाँ से है हमारे, स्पेशली दोज आर यंग, जो भी यहाँ पे यंग लोग हैं यहाँ पे, 2-3 चीज़ सीखने लायक चीज़ है फॉर द एंटायर जो भी यहाँ हुआ है, एंड फ्रॉम जैन परिवार, फ्रॉम NRL. डेफिनेटली आई विल बी थैंकफुल टू NRL एक्चुअली फॉर conceiving this place. And I believe Mr. Fukan was here looking after this area, and Apurva sir was there. So I think a big hand to both of them. They are the actually, they've been so nice. इन्होंने क्या बेटी को आगे विदा कर दिया. चलो कितना अच्छे लोग हैं ना. जाओ फलो फलो खुश रहो. So they are so nice. We'll be eternally grateful to and for the way you have nurtured your dealers. In fact, last night we spent with one of our old dealers. So full night we were there in his house. So that is the power of you people actually, how you have built up that company actually, you and your predecessors. So we are eternally grateful to you sirs. So coming back to जिस तरह से आपने बड़ा सोचते हैं ना, ये जैन परिवार का जो बड़ा सोचना, आई थिंक बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट चीज़ है. और उस टाइम पे यहाँ पे जो एक गड्ढा था और उसमें आप लोगों ने भर के ये जो काम किया आपने, और रिस्क लेना, बड़ा सोचना, रिस्क लेना, और उसके बाद एक बार बड़ा सोच लिया और रिस्क, देन फिर जोर से काम करना. आई थिंक दिस 3 थिंग्स आर हॉलमार्क ऑफ दिस जैन ग्रुप जो यहाँ पे हैं. मैंने काफ़ी क्लोजली देखा हुआ इन लोग काम करते हुए, स्पेशली शिपाल जी और बागचंद जी को काफ़ी क्लोजली देखा हुआ है. उनके बच्चों को भी काफ़ी मैं क्लोजली देखा हुआ है. द वे दे वर्क, सो मच टू लर्न फ्रॉम देम. सो भारत पेट्रोलियम इज ऑल्सो एक्सट्रीमली प्राउड टू बी एसोसिएटेड विथ यू. एंड आपको जानकर शायद खुशी होगा, आप जानते हैं शायद दिस इज द हाईएस्ट सेलिंग पंप ऑफ भारत पेट्रोलियम इन द एंटायर ईस्टर्न रीजन.
See, this is NRL petrol pump, belong to my very good friend Sri Sripalji. He is here with me and his wife Kusum, she is here with me. In 18 years back, we have inaugurated at the main petrol pump. Today it is the extension. So we are going to inaugurate today for the extension of the NRL pump here in Jorabat. The pump becomes small. There are so many vehicle reserves coming from all over Northeast, not only Meghalaya. So to accommodate all the vehicles, all the drivers are coming to the pump. That's why we did immediate expansion and extension here.